Hello everyone, today we're going to explore how to use the Rough Assistance feature to quickly generate roughing toolpaths. I've already started by creating a base roughing process. As you can see, the toolpath has been generated for the initial stop removal. Now, let's see how Rough Assist streamlines the rest of the workflow. Facing. We can easily add a facing operation. Watch how the toolpath updates automatically to clean off the top surface. Boss roughing. Similarly, we can select the boss feature, and the software will calculate an efficient roughing toolpath for it. Boss roughing with stop. We can also perform boss machining directly from the remaining stop, ensuring the toolpath recognizes what material has already been removed. Cavity roughing. Let's switch to a cavity. By selecting the cavity roughing option, the system generates a toolpath perfectly suited for clearing out internal pockets. Full roughing. For a complete roughing solution, the full roughing option efficiently machines the entire part. Trochoidal roughing. Finally, we can apply a trochoidal milling strategy. Notice how the toolpath changes to a smooth, rolling motion, which is ideal for hard materials or full slotting, reducing tool wear and stress. And that's it. This is how you can utilize the powerful Rough Assist feature to automate and accelerate your roughing programming. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and software updates.